trouser. This is the trouser we're going to cut now. And from the trouser measurement, look at the instrument. This is ruler, this is scissors, this is my calculating phone, my chalk. From the trouser measurement, we have this is the trouser. The waist is 41, the length is 40, the laps is 29, the nail is 22, the muzzle is 21, the anchor is 14. You can see it. Like you will see the other video downside I posted how to calculate the trouser measurement, and you get to understand it. If you have to understand what I've done there, we are going to what I'm going to cut. You have to follow the calculation there so that you don't be confused. So here we go. Our calculation. Here. The length is 40. This is 40. Then if you see some videos there, you know that some people do add 2 inches, but me, I don't like too much folding in trousers, so I do give my own 1.5 instead of 2. Then I do give my pocket. The pocket length is 7.5. This man has a body, so I'm giving him 7.5. He has height also. Now looking at the crunch length, you see most of people do use 9 inches as a crunch length. What I mean by crunch length is here, from here to your thigh, where your thigh is tight. But see, if you see somehow the person is, how big or small the person is, you have to reduce the measurement or increase the measurement of the crunch length. Now for this man, since he has body, we are going to make use of, you can use 10, you can use 11 for this kind of somebody, but we are going to use 10. Let's use 11 for him. He has body, he has laps, he has waist, so we are making use of 10. This is 11. This is 11. We're making use of 11. Now from this crunch length to the actual length, this is, if you see, it's 29. Let's check very well. This is 40. Half inch allowance, 1.5 inch allowance. From this crunch length to this 40, you see we are having 29. Divide the 29 into 2. You will see it's 29 divided by 2. It will give us 14.5. 14.5. 14.5. Then that 14.5. Look at 14.5 here. Add minus 2 inches upward. That means this from this 14.5 you get 1, 2. This is 12.5. We're going to have. It's just like you getting the measurement and minus 2 inches upward. If you get it, if you don't have it, understand it. You can ask question on the comment list. The crunch length 11. The full length is 40. Adding 1.5 inch. Then getting from this crunch length to the measurement, we got the measurement and divided, add 2 or minus 2 upward. Minus 2 upward or add 2 from downward. I don't know how anyone you can go with it. Then this is how we can get the waist measurement. Some people have many ways, but this is the easier way. I tell you, brothers and sisters, this is the easier way to get the waist of your clothes of everything. You see, the waist is 41. Just have the mindset that add 5 inch. Don't worry, you will see I even explained how I got the measurement, how I got all this 5 inch, why I add 5 inch and how it was gotten. So now this is 41 as the waist. Add 5 inches, like I explained in the video. Make sure you watch that video, it's very explanatory. Now 5 inch plus this is going to be 41. Then 41 divided by 4. Sorry, 56. 5 inch plus 41 will give you 56. 56 divided by 4. Let's do it. If you see it very well, it's not 56, it's 41 plus 5 inches from my explanation. Then you will see it will give us 46. Then that 46 divided by 4, you are dividing by 4. You know, trouser has 4 pieces, front and back into 4. That is what we have, 11.5, which is 11 and a half, however you may say it. So you are going to mark the waist 11 and a half here, 11 and a half here. Do the same thing at the crunch length. To avoid problem, mark it 12. This 11 and a half, we added half inch. But if you are sure you're going to get an accurate line, straight line that will not trouble, just add that half inch. Then the half inch here, add extra 2 inch from the half inch. If you check, it is now giving you the full width of 14 and a half from what we got. Remember what we got from the west, we added 5 inch to divide it to 4, and what we have is 11.5. The same with the crotch length, add half inch to give you 12, add extra 2 inches to get this. Now come down to the ankle side, remove 1.5 inch. You know, some people do give 2 inches allowance, some people do give 1.5, depends. So remove 2 inch, we are taking 2 on this here. Remove 1 from here, then trace those lines.